Hello everyone and welcome to the first video on this channel. After being a professional YouTube video watcher for over a decade and getting inspirations from YouTube channels like Binging with Babish and celebrity chefs like David Chang, I want to challenge myself and see how far I can go with cooking classic noodle dishes, replace the noodle with instant noodle instead, and try not to ruin the dish itself. Let's get started with something easy, Ginger Scallion Noodles. Ingredients include instant noodle, oil, preferably a neutral oil, sesame oil, vinegar, soy sauce, salt, ginger, and of course, green onions. Let's get started. First, grab a knob of ginger, peel the skin, slice, dice, and chop it all up. Next, take 3 to 4 green onions. Cut off the green and the roots. Slice the stalk lengthwise. Dice and chop that all up too. Once that is done, let's start boiling some water for the noodles. And while we wait for the water to boil, we can start making the ginger scallion oil too. Heat up around 1 to 2 cups of oil in a small pan. When the oil is hot enough, add ginger and cook for 2 minutes. Then add the green onions and cook together for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once the oil becomes fragrant with ginger and green onion, take it off the heat and transfer it over to a bowl. Add salt, sesame oil, soy sauce, and vinegar to season and taste. Give it a good mix and there you have it. Some people call this liquid gold, I call this a liquid heart attack. Let the oil sit and rest. The longer you let it rest, the better it will taste. Now let's quickly cook the noodles for 2 to 3 minutes. Run it under cold water to stop the noodle from overcooking and transfer it over to a plate. Add 2 to 3 spoons of your ginger scallion oil to the noodle. Give it a good mix, garnish it with some of the green onions, and you are ready to eat and share. I gotta say, this was actually really delicious. The curly shape of the noodle really holds the ginger and scallion bits to the noodle, and the oil is just fragrant, salty, and vinegary enough to elevate the plain noodles. At the end of the day, this is a really good dish and a really quick snack to make and enjoy. You can even make extra ginger scallion oil to store for a lazy day. Thank you for sticking with me, and I hope you enjoyed this dish too if you try it. Let me know what you think will also work with instant noodle in the comments, and I would hope to see you next time.